Are you following other courses and hiring virtual assistants to get fake reviews on Amazon, only to find out a week later that the reviews get deleted? No, no, no. I'm going to show you in today's video 3 different ways of how to legitimately get real reviews for your books, and these are 3 methods that I actually use. So stay tuned. How's it going, guys? My name is Jacob Rothenberg. I have been a Kindle publisher for nearly 4 years now, and I make a full-time living from publishing, among other things. So what I'm going to show you today is 3 different ways that I use to get reviews for my Amazon books. These are 3 easy ways that you can implement starting today to get reviews for books, aside from, as you might know already, it's what these other courses teach about hiring VAs to get fake reviews for your books, only to find out that you're wasting your money and your time by buying fake reviews that don't stay on your book, number 1. And number 2, you are risking your account being banned, as fake reviews are against the terms of service. And I know a couple people who have actually been banned for fake reviews. So that's all I've got to say regarding that. So number 1 is a platform you can use to get reviews called Booksprout. So go to booksprout.co, and from here you can actually upload your manuscript, in which you can set up your EPUB, MOBI, and PDF files. And from here it'll be set up to where you can give out a link to readers and friends and family to be able to download your book for free. And upon the launch of your book, in exchange for an honest review, you have given the book for free as a review copy, and from there they can leave a honest review for your book on launch. So this is perfectly legal, it's perfectly legitimate with the rules of Amazon. I have read the terms of service at least 10 times over the last year, so I know this is completely legit and white hat. Go to booksprout.co for this method. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not a sponsor. I'm just saying I use Booksprout for a lot of my books. It's awesome, and use that. Method number 2. I like to also use email campaigns to drive, first of all, impressions to my books. I like to email subscribers that I have a book released so I can get sales for that. And for books that I'm going to be launching in the future, I can even solicit reviews in exchange for a free copy of my book. Now, I personally like to use MailerLite. There's also MailChimp. There's ActiveCampaign. There's Aweber. However, I personally like MailerLite due to the relatively inexpensive monthly bill that comes in when I have a lot of subscribers. This is not my main account. I'm just using Jacob Rothenberg here so I don't give away my other account names. But what I like to do is go to campaigns, create a campaign, and from there, it's simple, guys. All you have to do, once you have subscribers or even friends and family on your list, say, hey guys, I'm going to be releasing this book about, it's a chess guide for kids. If you want to know how to dominate with the King's opening, if you want to kill people with the English opening, if you want to know how to do really well with a reverse Sicilian, get this book for free. Your child's going to be a master level prodigy. And guess what? This book is so good. All I ask in exchange for this book is an honest review on Amazon, and it'll be releasing on such and such date. From there, when you reach the launch date, you would send a second email saying, hey guys, hope you've been doing well. Hope your child has been enjoying the chess guide that I gave away a couple weeks ago. By the way, my book just released on Amazon. Would you be kind enough to follow up and leave a review for the book? And in fact, here's a link to the Amazon page where you can leave the review. Boom, done. Just like that. Now, you might be thinking, Jacob, that's really cool, but I don't have an email list. I don't have subscribers. So how can I get started today with getting reviews as of today? Well, guess what? You can also use Facebook groups to get reviews for your book. Now, this does not just mean creating your own group necessarily. to get reviews. You can actually, if you're cool with other people and other groups, if you can just mooch to the admins of other groups, you can say, hey, I want to promote this book. Would it be cool if I just gave a free copy of it to the members? I'll ask as maybe a free review in exchange. That should suffice. Now, if you're a little slick, if you're a hustler, you can even say, hey, I'll pay you $20 just to let me make this post. And with that, I'd just like to give away a free copy of my book so I can get some reviews for it. Would that be cool? What's your PayPal? I'm sending you $20 right now. Please, guys, be creative with how you're able to solicit reviews. Don't think so tightly, so narrowly about how you can get reviews. Think outside the box. It's okay to bribe people a little bit to have permission on a post. Whatever it takes, get a sponsored tweet, get a sponsored post. Do what it takes to get reviews while still staying in compliance with Amazon. So the reason why I'm on this group in particular is, believe it or not, guys, this group is a 1.5 years old, and it is actually a group that my former student made. So this is Pre-Cut for Beginners, the official group. We made this on April 29th, and it went from 0 to 2,000 members in 2 weeks, and now it is literally at 355,000 members. Now, if it's too good to be true that I was the person who came up with the idea for this group and taught how to set this all up, I am a founding member, and I am, I think, the original, there's too many members. I am the original member that came up with this group idea and to solicit getting reviews for her book at the time. So it's really simple. If you've checked out my channel before, and go to the social media domination playlist that I have, create your group, get a banner up, and along with inviting people to your group, just put out content, put out some designs, put out articles, just get content going in your group, get engagement. You want people to not only like and even, respond to your group, but you can also have people buy things from your offerings. So that is an easy way to get reviews as well. Guys, it is not hard at all to get 5 reviews for your books. You just have to be social on social media and utilize your social media to be able to get reviews. If you have any questions at this point about how to get reviews for your books, let me know. I can come with a more thorough video than perhaps I've already put out on the YouTube channel for free. I've also got my $47 course. Link is below if you're interested in that. Otherwise, guys, I'm going to keep working. Take care. See you later.